Good morning, good morning. Looks like Fubo's on the move again this morning. 2 mornings in a row now we had pre-market movements. That's something we haven't seen in quite a while. 292 right now. Imagine that. You got this, if we can hold this support at the 277, that would be pretty sweet. You know you're going to have a pullback here a little bit. If you go to yesterday, if I go to the 15-minute chart, you can see right here. Oh, you can't see it. But it drove up to, 269. And then they shorted this down right to this. I can't move the damn chart down there. But anyway, it came right back down to this flag line here. And then it moved back up. I don't know why I can't move that chart. You can see right here on the top here. I'll have to work on that. But anyway, I think, we got earnings this morning here. I think people put way too much weight on the earnings, good or bad or whatever. Does it really matter? We had good earnings last time and they drove it down. So it's all about getting these shorts out of this stock. So, I mean, that's why I said this, partnership perks thing, blah, blah, is a good thing. I think you'll increase the number of shareholders probably by 100% just because of the perks thing. I mean, those little tiny things really set people off. It can make the difference between, them going with Fubo or somebody else. It's just that little bit of perks and, not knowing what else could possibly come of it, And it's not a bad thing to hold a stock for perks for your TV, So it's just a good thing. As far as this, there's a lot of people that are buying in now that are going to sell off right after earnings. So you're bound to have a cool down here. We need to hold this 277 line and then bounce back up. Because you have a lot of resistance points going up unless shorts start to cover. Here's the catch though. Shorts have been pushing this down so much and forcefully that when this is in this area right here, between right where Fubo is at right now, in this 326, any time in there, some of the smaller short shareholders, they could cover, which is going to send this, up to this 366 and $4. And then now you're in a territory where the rest will start covering. And once that out, I mean, you're 54 million short on this. So it won't take much at all for this to pop off. But you need to hold it, not let them short 1 million shares and drive it right back down to where it was. There has to be enough buying pressure to hold it up and force them. I mean, they're not going to cover until they're forced to do so. It's just that simple. But, I mean, this could run, if it gets going, this could run anywhere from $7 to $33. And so that'd be a nice run. Did you see Roku yesterday? That popped off all the way up to $79. And now it's not doing shit this morning. So we'll see what happens. It'll be interesting not only today, but if this holds up there now, if this holds right around this $3 or over $3, Then next week gets really crazy. So, this is a fun time when you're watching the stock. So we'll wait and see what happens, see what he has to say for earnings, and we'll go from there. You have a good weekend.